Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Shark Rocket corded vacuum on the market. The Shark Rocket Ultra Light Corded Bagless Vacuum, Model HV301. If you're looking for a vacuum that combines power, versatility, and lightweight design, this might just be the one you need. Right out of the box, the Shark Rocket HV301 impresses with its ultra-lightweight build, weighing less than 9 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around your home without feeling weighed down, which is perfect for quick cleanups or larger cleaning sessions. Despite its light frame, this vacuum doesn't compromise on power. It offers corded, non-stop suction that works effectively on both carpets and hard floors, delivering the deep clean you expect from Shark. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its swivel steering, which allows you to navigate tight corners and furniture with ease. Whether you're cleaning around your coffee table or maneuvering through narrow hallways, the swivel steering ensures smooth control without having to awkwardly reposition the vacuum. Plus, it converts effortlessly into a handheld vacuum, so you can tackle above-floor cleaning like stairs, upholstery, or even your car interior with the same device. The vacuum comes equipped with multiple tools to enhance its versatility. Included are an upholstery tool, a crevice tool, and an anti-allergen dust brush. These attachments make it easier to clean hard-to-reach areas, delicate surfaces, and stubborn pet hair. The Easy Empty Dust Cup is another convenient feature, allowing you to quickly dispose of dirt and debris without interrupting your cleaning flow. Operating the Shark Rocket HV301 is simple thanks to fingertip controls that let you switch between surfaces instantly. It also has 2 power settings, so you can adjust suction based on the task at hand, conserving energy when you don't need full power. The vacuum runs on a 120-volt corded electric power source, ensuring consistent suction without worrying about battery life. Storage is also user-friendly. The vacuum includes a hook on the bottom of the wand so you can hang it up easily, saving floor space. Its slim and sleek design means it fits well in closets or small storage areas without hassle. In terms of specifications, this vacuum features an 8.5-inch cleaning path width, a 0.31 quart dust cup capacity, and operates at 80 decibels, which is reasonably quiet for a vacuum of this power. It runs on 500 watts and has a motor horsepower of 0.67, delivering reliable performance for everyday cleaning needs. The 4.2 amp motor and 4 wheels add to its ease of use and efficiency. For those concerned about allergies, the Shark Rocket HV301 includes a HEPA filter to trap fine dust and allergens, helping improve indoor air quality during vacuuming. The product dimensions are compact, measuring just over 46 inches tall, and it's designed with a glossy orange and gray finish that's both modern and stylish. Lastly, Shark offers a 5-year limited warranty on this model, showing confidence in its durability and reliability. Overall, the Shark Rocket Ultra Light Corded Vacuum HV301 is an excellent choice if you want a powerful, lightweight, and versatile vacuum that excels on multiple floor types and is easy to handle and store. Whether you need a main vacuum or a handy secondary option, this Shark model delivers a balance of performance and convenience that's hard to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.